In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use visual input with ChatGPT 4 in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful trick if you want ChatGPT to look at an image, analyze what's in it, and help you understand it better. Whether you're using a screenshot, a photo, or any other image, this feature can save you time and make your workflow much easier. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI and software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or in the app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main chat screen, look for the plus icon near the message box. This is where you can add files and images to your conversation. Click on the plus icon and then choose the option to upload a photo from your device. You can select an image that you want ChatGPT to review, such as a screenshot, a chart, a document photo, or even a picture you took with your phone. After selecting the file, wait for it to upload fully into the chat. Once the image appears, you're ready for the important part. In the message box, type a clear instruction like, "Analyze this image," or "Tell me what you see in this photo." You can also be more specific if you want. For example, analyze the text in this screenshot, summarize the image, or point out any errors you notice. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful the response will be. Then send the message and let ChatGPT process the image. In a few moments, it will review the visual input and give you a written response based on what it sees. You can use this for many things, including identifying objects, reading text from images, understanding charts, checking screenshots, or getting feedback on visual content. If the answer is not exactly what you wanted, you can always ask a follow-up question and guide ChatGPT to focus on a specific area of the image. For example, you might ask it to zoom in on the text, explain the chart in simple terms, or compare two different elements in the photo. That's the basic process for using visual input with ChatGPT 4. Open ChatGPT, click the plus icon, upload your photo, and ask it to analyze the image. It's fast, easy, and surprisingly powerful once you start using it regularly. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.